Hi everyone. Ever wondered how professional chefs get those perfectly cooked steaks, tender chicken, or juicy veggies every single time? Well, today we're diving into the best sous vide machines that can turn your kitchen into a gourmet haven. From precise temperature control to easy app management, these gadgets make cooking foolproof and fun. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which sous vide machine suits your style and budget. And trust me, you won't want to miss these game-changing picks. Product links in the description box.
Number 5. Inkbird 2.4G Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker. Upgrade your kitchen with the Inkbird 2.4G Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker ISV 200W, a powerful and smart cooking solution designed for precision and convenience. This 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi sous vide cooker easily connects to your home network via the free Inkbird app, allowing you to set, monitor, and control your cooking from anywhere. You can even share access with up to 100 family members, making it perfect for collaborative cooking experiences. With an accurate timer of up to 100 hours and a wide temperature range from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius, this immersion circulator ensures perfect doneness every time. Its high precision of 1 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.1 degrees Celsius, guarantees consistent, restaurant-quality results for meats, vegetables, and more. Safety is built in with protection and temperature alarms. The device automatically stops and alerts you if the water level drops below the minimum or when your target temperature is reached, so you never miss an important update. Designed for ease of use and ultra-quiet operation, simply clamp it to your pot, add water, seal your food, and set your desired temperature. The app also offers pre-loaded and customizable recipes for endless cooking possibilities. Built with a durable stainless steel column and a powerful 1000W heating element, this sous vide cooker heats quickly and maintains stable temperatures for long, precise cooking sessions. Number 4. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Bring professional-level cooking into your home with the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0 Wi-Fi, a powerful 1100W immersion circulator built for precision and consistency. Pros have been doing it for years, and now you can too. Sous vide, pronounced sous vide, is a cooking technique that uses exact temperature control in a circulating water bath to deliver edge-to-edge perfect results, with virtually no risk of overcooking your food. This is Anova's bestseller, only better. First introduced in 2014, the Anova Precision Cooker helped spark a home cooking revolution. Now, the third-generation model comes with major upgrades, including dual-band Wi-Fi for stronger, more reliable connectivity and a sleek 2-line touchscreen display that lets you quickly monitor time and temperature at a glance. Designed for convenience, the adjustable clamp securely fits almost any pot with sufficient depth. Cleaning is just as simple thanks to the removable stainless steel skirt, which can be detached with a quick twist and washed by hand or in the dishwasher. Take full control with the free Anova app, allowing you to set and monitor your cooking remotely. Upgrade with an optional subscription to unlock expert recipes, guided cooking, and personalized meal tracking. Whether you're a beginner or a food enthusiast, this sous vide cooker makes achieving perfect results effortless every time. Number 3. Sous Vide Machines Sous Vide Cooker Rosius Sous Vide Kit with Lid. Upgrade your cooking experience with a Rosius Sous Vide Machine Kit, a complete solution designed to bring restaurant-quality meals into your home. Please note, container or pot is not included. This all-in-one kit features a powerful 1000W immersion circulator, an upgraded adjustable bracket, and a specially designed sous vide lid that helps prevent water loss during long cooking sessions. It also includes a detailed cookbook with 10 healthy recipes, making it ideal for families with diverse tastes. Designed with elegance in mind, this sous vide cooker features a sleek, modern look with a clear digital touch display for easy operation and visibility. Built from BPA-free stainless steel, it's a stylish and durable addition to any contemporary kitchen and makes a thoughtful gift for food lovers. Enjoy effortless cooking with its powerful heating system and 360 degrees water circulation, ensuring even temperature distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. This method locks in natural moisture, enhancing flavor, tenderness, and nutrition. Equipped with premium features like a precise 0.1 degrees Celsius temperature sensor and a countdown timer ranging from 0 to 99 hours and 59 minutes, it offers full control over your cooking process. The ultra-quiet operation, under 40 dB, and convenient alarm notification make it user-friendly. Easy to install on both round and square containers, this sous vide cooker ensures convenience, safety, and reliable performance every time. Number 2. Wi-Fi 2.4G Sous Vide Cooker 1000W. Upgrade your home cooking with a Wi-Fi 2.4G sous vide cooker, designed for precision, convenience, and professional-level results. Wi-Fi Sous Vide enables precision cooking by connecting the Sous 2.4 GHz Sous Vide Cooker ISSV 200W to your home network via the free Inkbird app. You can remotely set, monitor, and adjust cooking settings right from your smartphone, even when you're away. Plus, share access with up to 100 family members for a smarter, more collaborative kitchen experience. Sous Immersion Sous Vide lets you effortlessly create chef-quality dishes. Simply attach the 1000W circulator to any pot, add water, and immerse your vacuum-sealed ingredients. Its ultra-quiet operation, less than 40 dB, ensures a peaceful environment while you explore 14 built-in recipes or craft your own meals. Enjoy perfect doneness every time with 1 degree Fahrenheit high-precision control, a wide temperature range, 32 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 100-hour timer. Built-in water level and temperature alarms provide added safety, automatically stopping the device if needed. Crafted with a durable stainless steel heating column and powered by a 1000W fast heating system, this sous vide cooker guarantees consistent, reliable performance for long-term use.
Number 1.
Cruxo 1100W Sous Vide Cooker Kit with App Control. Elevate your cooking with a Cruxo 1100W Sous Vide Cooker Kit, a complete solution for precise, professional-style meals at home. Precision temperature control for reliable cooking allows you to maintain exact temperatures within plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, 77.0 to 198.5 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring perfectly cooked steak, poultry, fish, eggs, and more every time. The immersion circulator keeps water stable for consistent results, meeting the needs of everyday cooking with unmatched accuracy. All-in-one sous vide kit with sealer and bags comes complete with a Cruxo sous vide cooker, a compact vacuum sealer, and 10 sealing bags. This kit makes preparation, flavor preservation, and vacuum sealing simple, supporting both dry and moist modes for versatile meal prep. Wi-Fi app control and touch panel operation lets you set time and temperature via the intuitive LED touch panel or remotely through the Tuya Smart app. Cook while multitasking or away from the kitchen with ease, enjoying modern smart appliance flexibility. Low noise performance and space-saving design ensures quiet operation at only 50 dB, thanks to the 1,500 revolutions per minute brushless motor, while its compact, ergonomic form fits standard pots without taking up extra space. Perfect for water-based cooking, this kit supports meats, vegetables, and eggs with precise temperature management. The durable, long-term design of each component integrates seamlessly into daily kitchen routines, making Cruxo a smart choice for home chefs. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching this video.